How do you stand out in today's world? You become a better listener. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Most people don't actually listen. They wait, they reload, they prepare their next sentence while the other person is still talking. And because of that, relationships suffer, misunderstandings grow, and people walk away feeling unheard. But before this video ends, I'm going to show you how real listening works and why it might be the most underrated superpower you can develop. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Sunup Conversations, where we start the day with something that makes us a little better. You know, there's a difference between hearing and listening. Let's clear this up first. Hearing is automatic. Listening is intentional. You can hear every word someone says and still completely miss what they mean. Wives will confirm this statement about husbands. Real listening is more than sound waves hitting your ears. It's focus, it's presence, it's choosing to understand instead of preparing a reply. Most people today listen with one goal, and that is to respond. But the people who change lives listen with one goal, and that is to understand. So what does real listening actually look like? It looks like this: eye contact without distraction, not interrupting even when you're excited, asking thoughtful follow-up questions, reflecting back what you heard. Sometimes it's as simple as saying, "Help me understand what you mean." You know, that one sentence alone can transform a conversation because now you're not competing, you're connecting. People don't just want advice. They want to feel understood. When someone feels heard, they feel respected. When they feel respected, trust grows. And where there's trust, relationships thrive. Think about this. The people you're closest to in life, aren't they usually the ones who really listen to you? And really, that's not an accident. This matters everywhere. In families, listening says, "You matter to me." In friendships, it builds deeper connection beyond surface level talk. In community and leadership, it earns trust faster than any speech ever could. If you're a parent, a spouse, a leader, or a friend, your ability to listen may be more important than even your ability to speak. Because people don't always remember what you said, but they will remember how you made them feel. So here's the challenge for today. In your next conversation, don't try to be impressive. Don't try to be right. Just try to understand. Pause. Focus. Listen like it matters, because it does. That's how you stand out. That's how you build stronger relationships. And that's how you lead. If this conversation has encouraged you, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out some of the other Sunup Conversations. Drop me a comment below. We're building better mornings together. And remember, sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. So, just listen. I am. Until next time, take care.